bro. I can never find the hole in this shit.
You can't find the hole?
That's what she said. Bro, I can't find it, bro.
Smoking deep.
Nah, bro, I'm not.
I just fucked it up.
How you fucked it up?
My fingers popped up on it.
We'll erase it. We'll blur it up. We're gonna give a huge shout out to Polly for letting me borrow the scanner. Thanks, bro. Shout out to my barber. Making me look sexy, man.
Still ugly.
There you go. Shout out to the O'Reilly guy to recognizing my car.
The misfire.
It's Cam, bro. Look, go check it out. It's Cam.
Finish to clean his battery.
Alright, so we're gonna try to fix my check engine light today. We go to scanner, right, bro?
Yeah.
Master Tech right there. See, what car is this? Honda or Ferrari?
It's a Bugatti.
Oh, Bugatti. Oh,
You going
shit.
Bugatti?
Bugatti. Oh, we got Wi-Fi, boy. Finna watch some porn in this hoe. Head ass. We're gonna blur this because it's dirty as fuck.
We about to mount that NOS.
Oh yeah.
That NOS kit.
We're gonna put it in the bag in the trunk. We're gonna
that's
connect
why
that shit.
that's why we're fixing the misfires so we can have some NOS and ready for IFO.
Yeah.
March 4th, Houston, Texas. Royal Purple Track, Baytown.
Baytown. All right, scan.
Continue. Push. You can have it on too.
Damn.
9 codes.
For real? Damn. That's not enough. All right, misfire on 3. Misfire on 1.
On all of this.
Misfire on 6. What is that? Low voltage. My battery? Fuck.
No, that's your. It's talking about your ignition codes.
Oh shit.
Because they're not sparking right. So. It's because you've been driving too long. Since last year, you've been driving with this shit.
Yeah. I've been too lazy, dude, to fix that shit.
So he got a PO 300, 302, 303, 306, 301.
So technically, my car is at 6 cylinders, and I'm running on
1 cylinder. So it's basically a hybrid, but not certified as a hybrid yet. Still gas.
Still wasting gas. All right, so what we do now?
We're gonna go check spark
On this.
on the coils if they sparking, and we're gonna change the spark plugs and coils.
We got 2 coils.
2 coils,
So-
which they right here.
But we don't got spark plugs.
Import, direct,
They're
aftermarket.
like $50.
He got money, but he didn't want to go to a dealer.
Hell no, the dealer's like, bro.
Look at his
Each
swag.
one is
Look at his
160. What
Look at
you
his swag.
mean? Look at my swag.
He was wearing Yeezy.
Oh yeah, some Nikes.
Some
Unknown shoes.
Marshall Ross. I can't be talking, dude. So,
This is an ignition.
this is ignition coil. I know everybody knows if they watching this video.
They don't know.
They do. Car
Because
related.
they gonna be like, how to do stuff. This is gonna be the YouTube of how to do. I don't know.
We're fixing his misfire. He's running a 1 cylinder. It's a 3.0, non-VTEC, but it says VTEC.
Damn, what you mean?
You don't have VTEC
The
right now,
VTEC
bro.
doesn't activate right
So
now.
we're
'cause
gonna use this to take this cover. You can find it at Harbor Freight.
It's a flathead, motherfucker.
A flathead.
You didn't do shit.
It was already off, bro. It's for the picture.
For the video.
So to take off the coils,
They're Allen wrenches.
Allen wrenches. Get closer, bro.
Motherfucker.
There's number 6
Bro, that guy.
for Honda Accord.
There's a 6mm.
Yeah, so we're gonna put it right here.
And it fits perfect. If it doesn't fit perfect, you're gonna fuck it up.
If it has a little play, you're gonna round it off, and you're never gonna take it off.
Unless you
So,
drill it. That's too much.
On the
shit.
court, V6 is a 6mm.
It's not hard to remember.
So,
6.
we're gonna take it off. No.
Oh, we get sponsored by Snap-on. Look, Snap-on all the way.
Ain't Harbor Freight.
Oh yeah. Look, Pablo's gonna do a surgery, bro.
Yeah.
He got the gloves and everything.
If you're lazy and you owe your booty to Snap-on right here, so this is easy.
Hashtag Yolan.
See? 3 seconds.
1,
See? Not even 1.
2.
You see?
Not even half of 1.
You buy these, you save a lot of time. And
But you spend a lot of money.
you don't save no money.
I mean, it doesn't have wood. We haven't done shit.
So one way,
Support us on YouTube. Subscribe, like, comment, and
isn't that too early? Is that the
no,
end
it's
of the video?
never. It's fucking, bro. We always gotta say it so they can remember.
So usually a lot of people put the screwdriver here and then close to a metal, like right here.
For ground.
Right here for ground. And then you see a little spark. But the way we're gonna do it,
So y'all can see it.
we're gonna put it like this, like it's actually working inside of the cylinder. And you're gonna see the spark right here when he turns the key. And if it gets sparked, the coil is good and good plug. That's how we're gonna find out which one is bad.
Which one is the misfiring one? The 3, 1, 2, 7.
All of them.
7. Turn it. Now?
Wait. Wait. Check out the money.
Now?
Go.
We got spark?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good, fam.
So this one is good.
You smell that gas? It's not burning.
Hopefully it turns on. Bro. Because when you just throwing
Gas?
gas, it cleans the oil on the rings, and then sometimes don't want to start.
We push started.
It's gonna start because it came in driving. So
I mean, I'm not going walking home. And I'm not taking Metro.
so when you tighten the plug, we usually just wrist tighten it until it stops,
You don't want to
Like-
over tighten it.
like right there. So that's how we do that. And when your glove rips, go get a new one.
You don't.
This one's good.
Lit.
Since he had good plugs, we're not gonna put them on. We're not gonna put new ones.
Maybe later on.
Since he's
Cause I bought some cheap.
since
spark
he has money and he
plugs.
don't.
Who
wanna
has? I
spend
don't
it.
got money. I'm broke as fuck.
Look at his swag. He OG.
Bro, I still have not done my
Pulling
alignment, bro.
bitches.
Pulling bitches.
Oh, okay. Your girl might see that shit. Oh.
New gloves now. You see that?
Take problems. That shit hurts. So
Take
get used to it. So some people got girl hands like.
Nah, I'll work on cars. I just don't know much about this. Pablo's the master tech.
Not even. I go on YouTube. And I
Yeah, he goes to our videos and watch them, so he knows what to do stuff. How to buff the 240. Check that video out. Or how to plastic dip wheels. Check that video out too. But my wheels are nasty now, so.
So now we're gonna do the same thing. Hopefully y'all saw the spark.
I'm gonna try to zoom in on it. So they can see it.
And disconnect this right here. I'm gonna try to find a better so y'all can see it.
Can you put it here? Or here?
Yeah, but look how it's gonna hold.
Oh, it's because you didn't want to grab it, huh?
Yeah, hell no. Fuck that shit. I've been shocked before. I don't want to get shocked.
YOLO, cuz.
Alright. Hopefully I see it right there. Zoom in.
No?
Dale más.
No? No?
Yeah. So we have spark on this one.
Another good one. We have 39 subscribers. And
What's up?
we need more. We need more support. Oh, look, the neighbor.
Bro, he's noisy, bro. I swear.
What he said?
No, cause he saw yesterday the accident right there.
Oh.
Motherfucker tried to drive in the driveway. I mean, drive in the driveway.
What the hell?
Drive in the garage with the car. So he's noisy.
Noisy?
Yeah.
Nosy.
That's what
Hey.
That's what retired people do. They don't do shit. Motherfuckers.
Yeah, what he said. I know y'all asking for Yolan. He gonna be here. He
What?
gonna dance for y'all again.
Yolan is gay. Low key, he gay.
You're not even putting it right.
Right here. Since I don't want to struggle. Well, I'm already struggling. Fuck it. Right here.
This struggle is real. Hey, this is where coolant goes in. I'm just kidding.
You say that to people, man?
They gonna put coolant for
I'm gonna
me.
sue you for that shit.
Hey, it's their fault they believe on me. I'm just kidding, guys.
Sign out, bitch. Bro, why should you get all like sparking everywhere, man? I feel like you didn't have your spark plugs tight enough.
You think so?
Yeah, cause I took them off like nothing.
Cause you're strong, bro. I'm
Nah.
weak. Look at these noodle arms. Okay, look.
Noodles.
Damn, gym life, bro. Or Manuela life.
I think the second one.
Manuela. That'd be fucked up, bro. We just made a video for no reason. Not tightening my spark plugs right.
See, that's a fail. And he's a technician, Toyota, Master Tech.
I'm not a master.
ASC
Certified
certified.
on flood cars.
has 6 ASCs, and
And I can't do my misfire because I'm lazy.
he can't even time.
I'm paying Paulo, bro. Don't worry. Paulo's gonna pay. Oh.
Hey,
Where's the magnet, bro?
we'll get this shit.
Where's that shit?
That's when you fuck up, you talk a lot, you don't do nothing.
Try to find it. That's when we were trying to flame each other.
See, like you can find this at Walmart. Just put it in your pocket. Don't pay for it.
We'll go through that self-check, bro. Self-pay. You might scan stuff, you might not.
Don't think that I got it like that, but that was a good idea. I didn't think it through. I just put it in my pocket. Go for it. Yeah.
That sucks, bro. That guy did a burnout. What if we hear a pah out of nowhere?
So his car is fine for right now.
For right now.
I feel like he gets that misfire when he's using his Toyota uniform
What the fuck is this?
and he drives a Honda, so that shit don't go together.
Oh yeah, it doesn't add up.
Yeah, so I think he gotta quit Toyota and go to Honda.
Honda. Honda life. Honda for life, bro. Right, Pablo? Honda for life.
Hey.
What you looking for?
Oh, don't never lose the ignition cord. I almost lost it.
I was walking away on him, bro.
So we're done with this side.
Tres.
Lights, camera, action.
So what we just started. We're going, since we know we had spark on this three, we're gonna put them in the back and
Pass those over here.
Yeah,
To check them out if they have spark.
that was a
Cause in the back we're gonna struggle more.
Power Ranger thought. So give me some.
Team power, motherfucker.
You know what I'm saying?
Slam
Oh.
life, bro.